Hi, I really don't know how you guys find the time to do anything. What I mean is I've been trying to build a CNC woodworking machine for about a year now, obviously in short bursts and with the help of a friend when he's available, so it's been like an hour a week. I'm at a stage where I have got the CNC machine working. I haven't got a spindle attached yet because I've got a big 2.2 kilowatt spindle on order. It's in the post at the moment. But I've got the gantry working, moving in the 3 axes, X, Y, Z, and I'm so looking forward to using one of my fabulous router cutters to simply skim the wood manually as a first step in CNC routing, because I haven't a clue about the software. I've got to learn that. That's the next thing. And if you take on board everything you've got to learn, it's like a big brick wall. It's too complicated. Software, I'm of a generation that, drew everything by hand, and I design in my workshop. I very seldom use a drawing board, and to do everything on CAD and CAM. And I'll probably start with the most basic software, kind of point and squirt free software, just to do really simple operations like drill holes, cut pockets, maybe profile an edge, cut through a piece of plywood, really basic stuff. However, I'll soon be adding to, I think it'll be the 4th episode of my series on my adventure into CNC woodworking. So this is just a taster. Thanks for watching.